Yeah, sup guys, what's going on? Um, I want to show you how you can get rid of this kind of issue when your website is flagged up by Google. First of all, before I will go show you how you can get this done, I want you also to take note of what really caused this. Most time when you are doing this, when you are creating this kind of website, such as so website that information is being taken, you must be very careful. You must not use Google Chrome to upload your file. So please do well and subscribe for more of this trip so that you can get more. So now I'll be showing us how we can get rid of this particular issue on our website if any of our website is being flagged up like this. Now the first step you got to do is to visit Google search by typing Google Webmaster. That's www.google.com/Google Webmaster. It will display like this. Then you click on Get Start. So when you click on Get Start, make sure that you have your email already logged in. Make sure that you have your email login, just like the way I log in my email right now. So make sure that your email is logged in. So you visit the Google Webmaster. Now let me show you how. Google/Webmaster. As you can see, Webmaster. So click on Start. So when you click on Start, it display like this. So you click on Search Console. So after clicking on Search Console, although why mine is showing like this, because I already have an account. So what you have to do right now is to click on this menu and click on Add. I mean, you have to add more. Click on Add Property. So if you don't have any on something like this before, like the way my own display, this is how it's going to display. So you come to this place, paste your domain, the particular domain that is having this issue. This particular domain that is having this issue here, as you can see. So after that, after placing the domain, here, placing the domain, then you click on, make sure that the domain have the HTTPS. That's why we are having this HTTPS. You understand? Or just go direct by copying the domain direct from the menu bar. So go direct, paste, then click on continue. So when you click on continue, yes, that's good, verify. So you have to download download this, the document sent by Google. So when you download it, the document is download, which is in your system. So you have to go to the folder where your domain is in your file, in your cPanel. I don't need to explain that. So I believe anyone that view this must be a web developer. So go to your folder. Okay, let me use my shortcut to get to my folder. So this is the folder where the website is. So click on upload, click on upload, select file. So this is the particular file that we download from Google. So upload it, go back, then now you go back to your Google search and click on verify. So it's going to verify. It's still loading, because after downloading that and uploading, you have to verify. though it's still loading. So let's get back to our folder. Let's check. Okay, where this, you have to rename it, remove the one, let it just be like this. But yours will not going to be like that because I already downloaded it before. That's why it's showing like that. So I think that's the issue. So go back and verify, because it have to be in line with the file name. So wow, now it's verified. So you go to property. Now the next thing you have to do right now is to click on this. They only dictate one issue. Click on this report and click on request review. All issue were fixed. So you have to write to them that you must not write the same thing I'm writing. So this website is for educational purpose. Please let it run. So this must not be what you are going to write as you are requesting for yours. So please let it run. Thank you. So it takes 24 hours sometime, even sometimes it also take like 7 days. So depend on how. Then you click on submit. So after clicking on submit, you have request submitted successful. So that's how you can unlock this particular issue anytime your website flag up on Google. Thank you, and please subscribe for more. Have a nice day.